Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Welcome to the step-by-step basic guide of the odometer consolidation testing module. The odometer test is a kind of geotechnical investigation performed in geotechnical engineering that measures a soil's consolidation properties. Odometer tests are performed by applying different loads to a soil sample and measuring the deformation response. The results from these tests are used to predict how a soil in the field will deform in response to a change in effective stress. Odometer rig. A fully assembled odometer cell and its accessories. Get the accurate measurement of the inner diameter and the thickness of the cutting ring. Record the mass of the cutting ring. Prepare the cohesive clay sample. Push the cutting ring with the sharp edge into the soil sample. Trim the soil sample using a palette knife and a wire cutter. Record the mass of the cutting ring with the wet soil. Record the mass of the moisture content tin. Obtain a small amount of soil for moisture content determination. Record the mass of the soil with the moisture content tin and transfer into the oven for drying. Record the mass of the dry soil plus the moisture content tin. After 24 hours of drying, we can calculate the moisture content. Soak the porous stones and make sure that the wet filter papers are wet. Sequence of assembling the accessories to set up the odometer cell. Odometer rig without the cell. Loading yoke resting on the beam lever arm. Transfer the cell to the rig. Raise and set the loading yoke. Adjust and set all the important points and connections. Adjust the position of the digital gauge. Add water to the cell. Switch on the digital gauge. Readjust its position. Slide down until it contacts with the loading stem until the spindle shortens. Lock and reset. Add 1.25 kg of load to the hanger. Release the beam support jack. Start recording the data according to the intervals given. The gauge reading will increase during testing. The spindle length will keep on increasing during the test. Example of the consolidation loading unloading plan. Record the mass of the cutting ring with the wet soil after testing, and then transfer it into the oven for drying. Record the mass of the cutting ring plus the dry soil, and then calculate the final moisture content. We have come to the end of the step-by-step basic guide of the odometer consolidation testing module. Thank you very much for watching. Till we meet again, stay safe and vigilant. Wassalamualaikum and salam hormat.